In the heart of Minnesota's bustling Twin Cities, where creativity knows no bounds, there exists a place where science meets everyday life in the most extraordinary ways. It's a place where innovation is celebrated and where ideas come to life. Welcome to 3 Meters Innovation Factory. The doors to the Innovation Factory slide open and we step inside to find ourselves in a spacious, bright area with white walls and floors. At first glance, it appears to be empty, but upon closer inspection, we realize that the entire floor is covered with colorful sticky notes, each representing a brilliant idea generated during one of their brainstorming sessions. Above us, glass boxes filled with various objects like Post-it notes and Scotch-Brite lint rollers hang from the ceiling, each serving as a reminder of 3M's iconic products that have revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. The walls are adorned with images of scientists in lab coats, highlighting the company's dedication to research and development. But what truly captures our attention is a large screen displaying the words "Science. Apply it to your world." These words embody the essence of 3M's mission, and the Innovation Factory serves as a testament to their unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of scientific exploration. But this is just the beginning. As we venture further into this wonderland of innovation, we discover even more surprises around every corner. In the next room, we encounter a cozy cafe stocked with coffee, snacks, and all the amenities we could desire. It's a place where employees can relax, connect with colleagues, and let their creativity flow. A glass wall separates the cafe from an open-concept office space, where teams of engineers and scientists collaborate on developing the next big thing. The energy in this room is palpable, with everyone focused intently on their work. Some huddle around a table examining intricate diagrams, while others pace back and forth discussing ideas. The buzz of conversation is punctuated by bursts of laughter as colleagues share ideas and celebrate successes together. As we move through the factory, we begin to understand that this is not just a place of work, it's a community. Employees from different departments mingle in the hallways, exchanging ideas and forming connections that extend beyond their immediate teams. We notice a ping-pong table in another room, complete with trophies and plaques commemorating past champions. It's clear that employees are encouraged to unwind and have fun while fostering a sense of friendly competition. But it's not all about work and play. Innovation Factory also places a strong emphasis on sustainability. We see recycling bins conveniently placed throughout the facility. Notice that many of the products used are made with recycled materials. One wall is adorned with a living green wall, a lush vertical garden that serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving the environment. This commitment to sustainability is evident in 3M's product development as well. Many of their innovations are designed to reduce waste, conserve resources, and improve energy efficiency. As we continue to explore the Innovation Factory, we stumble upon a fully equipped gym. Employees are engaged in various workout routines, some lifting weights, others practicing yoga, or simply taking a brisk walk on the treadmill. It's clear that 3 Meters values the health and well-being of its employees and provides them with the resources they need to stay fit. This commitment to employee wellness is a testament to 3M's belief that happy and healthy employees are more productive and better equipped to tackle the challenges of bringing new products to market. We notice an inviting space with comfortable seating and soft lighting. It's a quiet oasis, away from the hustle and bustle of the main workspace. Some employees are curled up with a good book, while others are catching up on the latest industry news on their tablets. This peaceful atmosphere encourages employees to unplug, recharge, and return to their work feeling refreshed and ready to tackle new challenges. One area of the factory is dedicated to showcasing 3M's history and its evolution over the years. We see old photographs of the company's founders and learn about the humble beginnings of this now global enterprise. There are displays of vintage advertisements and products that bring back memories for older employees and provide a fascinating glimpse into the past for newcomers. This commitment to preserving history fosters a sense of pride and continuity among employees and reminds them of how far 3 Meters has come since its early days as a small local company. Our tour of the Innovation Factory wouldn't be complete without a visit to the collaborative spaces. We enter a large room with long tables and comfortable chairs. It's a hub of activity with employees from different departments working together on projects. Some are engaged in lively discussions, while others are collaborating on a presentation using one of the many computers available. The room is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a large screen for presentations and video conferencing, as well as comfortable seating to ensure that everyone feels at ease. There's also plenty of natural light, which helps to create a positive and energizing atmosphere. It's clear that 3M understands the importance of providing a space that encourages collaboration and teamwork. And the collaborative spaces in the Innovation Factory are a testament to that. We leave the collaborative space and find ourselves in a spacious and well-lit area. At the far end, we see a large stage with comfortable seating for an audience. It's clear that this is a popular spot for presentations and town hall meetings. The room is equipped with cutting-edge audio-visual technology, ensuring that every event runs smoothly and seamlessly. But the Innovation Factory isn't just a place for work and events. It's also a place for learning and development. We see employees gathered around a table in a small classroom-like setting. They're engaged in a presentation and actively participating in discussions. The room is equipped with comfortable seating and the latest technology, making it the perfect space for training sessions and workshops. Our tour of the Innovation Factory wouldn't be complete without a visit to the outdoor space. We step outside and find ourselves in a beautifully landscaped area with walking paths, picnic tables, and plenty of green space. It's a perfect place for employees to take a break, relax, and enjoy the great outdoors. There is also a fire pit area where employees can gather around a cozy fire and socialize after work hours. This commitment to providing a space for outdoor recreation shows that 3M values the importance of work-life balance and understands that employees need time to recharge and enjoy their lives outside of work. As we make our way through the outdoor space, we notice several pieces of art dotted around the area. Sculptures and installations created by local artists add a touch of culture and creativity to the space. It's clear that 3M values the arts and understands the importance of supporting local artists. As our tour of the 3M Innovation Factory comes to an end, we can't help but feel inspired by the creativity, innovation, and dedication to excellence that permeates every aspect of this incredible facility. From the moment we stepped inside and saw the colorful sticky notes covering the floor, we knew we were in a place where ideas were not only welcomed, but celebrated. The commitment to research and development is evident in the numerous labs and testing facilities we encountered, and the emphasis on sustainability is refreshing and inspiring. The Innovation Factory is more than just a workplace, it's a community. The employees we met were passionate about their work and proud to be part of a company that values integrity, respect, and accountability. We left feeling energized and excited about the future of 3M and the positive impact the company is making on the world through its innovative products and sustainable practices. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to show your support. Your engagement means the world to us and inspires us to continue creating entertaining and informative content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 3M Innovation Factory. Till next time, stay curious, keep innovating, and remember to apply science to your world.